Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, girl, we are installing these Water Kinky Coily hair today. These are clip-ins, and when I say this is so gorgeous, it is so gorgeous. This is the first time that I've found extensions that actually match my hair type. And so for right now, I am just prepping my hair, just doing a simple braid pattern, nothing too complicated. And honestly, your braid pattern does not have to be neat when you're installing clip-ins at all. Just braid up your hair, girl. Just braid it up. But this is pretty much how I like to do my braiding pattern, especially if I'm doing a side part. So I just left this here just to show you guys how I do my braiding pattern. And if you're looking for a good natural hair kind of hairstyle for the holidays, this is definitely it. Curlsqueen is definitely the queen of kinky curly extensions because it's so versatile and you can do just about any kind of style you want. If you're not wanting to do any silk press, I don't do silk presses because it just don't last that long for me, but I do blow my hair out very often, but that's as far as I'm gonna go with heat. But this honestly makes for a great holiday hairstyle. And so now for the unboxing. First of all, I just want to appreciate the packaging. It's so cute. I love the packaging. I almost did not even want to open it, but let's get to opening it, girl, and see what's inside. So pretty much it just comes with this cute pink pouch and this very nice rose gold detangling hairbrush. And it also comes with some extra clips just in case if you need to add any extra clip-ins to your extensions, then obviously you have that option. And it also comes with a gold bonnet, and it also has a drawstring where you can adjust the fitting of the gold cap. And so now for the hair, this is the pouch that it comes in. This hair, the curl pattern is very much natural, and I have all of the hair information popped up on the screen, and I will also have the link to the hair in the description box. So now for the install, I had already went ahead and washed the hair, and this is pretty much how it looks after you've washed it. And so I'm going in first with the 5-piece clip-ins, and I space out each row because the hair is so thick. You really don't have to install them so close to each other. You can literally install these however which way you want, and it will still turn out nice. So the way I install these, I install the clip-ins as though I'm doing like a quick weave. So however way, if you've done a quick weave before, then you would know to just install it using that same method. So as you can see, I leave spaces in between my installs so that they don't be too close to each other. This install was super quick and easy. To be honest, anyone could literally install these. You don't have to be a professional or anything like that. So this is how it's looking so far. As you can see, the hair is so thick and it's so full that even if you space it out, it's not going to affect the install at all. The hair will still look incredibly full. I normally like to use the 3-piece clip-ins when I reach the top, and this is where I begin to clip them into the first braid. So now I have these 2-piece clip-ins left, and I'm just using that to fill up the top. So this is how it ended up looking so far. I was definitely feeling myself because I was super excited to see how cute this hairstyle literally came out, and I was honestly surprised how well my hair blended in with this style. And so on the sides, you can obviously still see my braids, but the solution that I have to that is literally just taking pieces of the hair and crocheting the extensions into my hair, and that honestly just covers the entire braid. And you can do that all throughout the perimeter of your head, or you can simply just leave some hair out and just cover it up that way, but I just decided to do it this way. So with just those first 2 pieces that I crocheted in, you can already see how it started to hide the braid, and so I just continued doing that. Initially, I did do a braid out for my leave out, but then I realized if doing a twist out would be better because of the hair texture and my hair texture, and all I did was just twist my hair up using mousse and gel, and that's pretty much it. As you can see, after unraveling the twist, this matches my hair texture so well. Like, you can't even tell that this is not my hair. And I've gotten so many compliments on this hair, and this is definitely what I'll be rocking all throughout the holidays, just doing different hairstyles. I will actually be uploading a video of different hairstyles that I do using these same extensions, so stay tuned for that. And this is pretty much the finished look. You can't even tell where my hair starts and where it ends. This literally looks like my natural hair. So if you guys like this video, go on ahead and comment, like, and subscribe. I want to know what you guys think of this hair and if you'll be buying it. And I just thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.